rodeo. I'd be lying if I tried to tell you I don't think about you. After all the miles and the wild nights that we've been through, Lord knows we had a few. Dear rodeo, I'd like to say that I took the reins and rode away. No regrets, no left unsaid, just turn the page. Oh, but you know better, babe. Between the almost atoms and broken bones, the dream of a buckle I'll never put on. I'm jaded, oh I hate it, but somehow the highs outweigh the lows, and I do it all again, even though we both know I'd still have to let you go. So dear rodeo, I tried like hell to tell myself it was all your fault. I held on tight with all my might, I just couldn't hang on, and that's hard to hang your hat on. Between the almost atoms and the broken bones, the dream of a buckle I'll never put on. I'm jaded, whoa, how I hate it, but somehow the highs outweigh the lows, and I do it all again, even though we both know I'd still have to let you go. Dear rodeo, I'd like to think you miss me too, but I know you don't. Oh, but that don't change the past, and that don't change the truth. I'm still in love with you, dear rodeo.
I'm a rope swing, I'm a cliff jump, I'm a barefoot kiss. Jumping barbed wire, starting bonfires, chasing down the wind. I'm a gypsy, I'm a daisy, growing on the guardrail side of the road. And you love me, so you know me, and you know I need to go wild, like a honeysuckle climbing a fence, like rain on the cheeks of a little child. Shaking off rust, flying free down a country mile. Yeah, I need to go wild, and you let me go wild. a tattoo, breaking curfew with a scarred up heart, and a sweet side like a hayride, looking up at the stars. When you hold me, boy, you never try to hold me back. And I love you, 'cause you love me just like that. Wow, like a honeysuckle climbing a fence, like rain on the cheeks of a little child. Oh, I wanna go wild like the dust from an El Camino, shaking off rust, flying free down a country mile. Yeah, I need to go wild, and you let me go wild. Wild like a honeysuckle climbing a fence, like rain on the cheeks of a little child. I need to go wild like the dust from an El Camino, shaking off rust, flying free down a country mile. I need to go wild, and you let me go wild. Yeah, I need to go wild, and you let me go wild.
My heart, your hands, like armor, by far the safest place it's ever been. Your eyes, my favorite color. Sometimes, boy, I can't help but wonder if I got the best of what this world has got to give. How is it supposed to get better than this? Than this right here? I'm so caught up in the way your arms wrap around me, nowhere I'd rather be. They say we're years and a million miles away, but I ain't in no hurry, 'cause I barely believe that this ain't heaven, that this ain't heaven. I've read the good book. I know life on this side can only get so good, but I've got the best of what this world has got to give. Don't know how it's supposed to get better than this. Than this right here? I'm so caught up in the way your arms wrap around me, nowhere I'd rather be. They say we're years and a million miles away, but I ain't in no hurry, 'cause I barely believe that this ain't heaven, that this ain't heaven. Oh, sometimes I forget that there's still